Dear colleagues, let's begin our treatment plan with the end result in mind. On May 6th and 7th, I will teach you how you can use Smilefy software to deliver facially guided 3D digital wax-ups. We will go from taking the proper picture to creating a smile simulation powered by the AI in just 1 minute to transferring that information to a 3D digital wax-up where you will learn all the principles of smile designs, how to select the right teeth shape for your treatment plan, and how to deliver digital mock-ups for different stages of the treatment, such as composite restorations, porcelain veneers, and even gingivectomy cases. This is a full hands-on course, and if you have your own patient, bring the patient's files and we will work on that patient as well so you can deliver the dental mock-ups as soon as you go back to your dental practice. I will see you there.